Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can save your boards and whiteboard presentations on Miro.com as a PDF. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your board. And what you want to do, guys, is once you're inside your board is click into these three dots here. After that, hover your mouse over, let me find the board here. Hover your mouse over export next and simply select save as PDF. Of course, you can export it as an image, for instance, or as a CSV spreadsheet. It's totally up to you. So let me go with save as PDF, and you will need to add one visible frame to the board, as you can see. So if you need that, guys, you may simply click into frame here to the left or here in the bottom right corner to add a frame. So let me add a custom frame really quickly, just like that, just for the sake of this tutorial. And now again, simply click into these three dots, board, export, save as PDF. And that's it. After that, confirm by clicking into this button here, and that is going to save or export your board as PDF. As you can see, it has actually pretty good quality here. So that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.